Welcome back, HARBRO freighters, to Harbor Freight quality videos, those prices. And today we have Amazon Prime Day and the best deals that I could find. So let me give you a quick rundown of how I do it, just because a lot of people will just show you deals and tell you their deals. And Amazon will say that it's 90% off, but they raise the price by $100 the 2 days before. So let me show you how I verified all these deals, just so you know that the price is actually at its best price. So here we have the Craftsman. Oh, if you find this useful or helpful in any way, please consider liking and or subscribing. And here we go. We have the Craftsman VERSASTACK Mechanics Tool Set, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive, 230 piece, limited time deal. Always a good sign. These are pretty accurate. 58% off. $84. It does kind of pass these other ones, I believe, are on sale too. 58% off, $84.15. Now, how do I know that they're not lying to me? One, I've seen this. I think it was down to $99, but on Camel, which I have no affiliation with besides I window shop and I use them to verify my deals. Here they have the tracker. Shows best price, of course, $84.15. And here you look on the bottom right, shows $84.15. This is the lowest price that this has been, and it has about 2 years of history. And it looks like it was about $90 before that. Averages, I mean, I'll tell you the average right here, $177, but realistically, it's about $100 normally. Has gone up higher than that, but pretty consistently at $100 through the holidays, but it is down to $84.15. So that is what I am doing for you, verifying that all the rest of the tools that we go through are verified deals. Let's keep going. Great deal here on this Craftsman, $84 for a 230 piece set, steal of a deal. Next, Amazon Basics, 6-piece trigger clamp set, 2-pack of 4 inches. Oh, and just as a reminder, everything will be linked in the description if you're interested. 4-pack of 6-inch black and gray, 25% off, $14.99. I'm going to try to rapid fire this. Craftsman, 159-piece mechanics tool set, 50% off, also $84.15. And this is one that I remember as well, was pretty good deal, hovering about $99. So it's a whole extra 15% off from where it was. Realistically, it's not $170, so I could tell you the 50% is not accurate, but it is at least 15% lower than the lowest price that it was at previously. So great deal on these Craftsmen. This 159 piece, although the other set was 200 something piece. So we'll keep going. Amazon Basics, 3-piece quick release groove joint pliers set, drop forged chrome vanadium steel, includes 7, 10, and 12 inch in black, 31% off, $14.38. That's just over $4 for each set of pliers. Excellent get there. Next, Craftsman 20-volt max impact drill kit, 1/4 inch. This doesn't look to be the RP version, but for $50, that seems pretty good. Again, I'll tell you 58% is probably a little bit ridiculous. I doubt this is selling for $118, but the $49 is the best price, the lowest that it's been at. Probably normally goes for like $60, $70. And here it is for $49 even. And next we have the Amazon Basics 3-piece aviation snip set, left, right, and straight cut. Red, green, yellow, snazzy colors, $10.69. About $3 per snip set. Excellent. And you can see I purchased this back in 2024, and I don't think I got it for this good of a deal. Craftsman V24 amp hour lithium-ion power tool battery 2-pack for $71.10. I think I did get this for about either $80 or $90. It might have been $80, but $71, lowest price that this has been at in Amazon history. Next, DEWALT 20-volt max jigsaw tool only, 52% off, $99 even. And I have seen this one come down to this price. This is the lowest price that it's been at, but it's been here before. So this one you could probably wait on because it'll likely be back down to this price. We got the WORKPRO 3-piece ratchet set, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch drive, ratchet wrench, quick release, reversible, 72 tooth, chrome, alloy, made, Prime Day deal, 20% off, $25.59, and you get 3 ratchets, all the sizes, for about $8 each. Wild. Next, Flex 24-volt 3.5 amp stacked lithium-ion battery, $129 even. And it looks like they have this deal across the board here, but best price on Amazon if you're in the Flex line. I'm assuming that's a good deal for a battery. I might be wrong, but lowest price on Amazon. Next, Powerbuilt 13-piece Tamper Star Jumbo long point magnetic hex key wrench, Allen hex key wrench. Lowest price in 30 days. Always great to see. 70% off. I don't believe it, but I'm sure it's still the best. I guarantee you it is the best price that it's been. $28.14 for what looks like a quality Powerbuilt Allen hex key set. Next, we have Wiha 3-piece color-coded socket adapters, $14.10. Love me some Wiha. Best price. We have the Amazon Basics 12-piece ratcheting magnetic screwdriver set with multiple bits, black, blue, and silver. Prime Day deal, 27% off for only $7.54. 15% Klein. So this one you probably got to be pretty quick about. Next, we have the Metabo HPT measuring tape, 25-foot true range, long reach, 17-foot high vis, green blade. Gotta love the green. 1/8 inch incremental fractions, durable extruded nylon coated steel. Lightweight design, 21% off, $22.10. Limited time deal. This is also 11% Klein. So this one will go quick as well. We have the DEWALT digital torque wrench, 1/2 inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound with storage case for $185.71. This is a Prime Day specific deal, but it is DEWALT. $185 is pretty pricey, but that's getting to Harbor Freight prices, and it's DEWALT. So you know you're paying a DEWALT tax just for it being, DEWALT's quality. 31% off, though. This is the lowest price that this has been at. Next, Kings County Tools, non-marring soft jaw needle nose pliers. Gotta love the non-marring. 1 1/4 inch dowel length, won't scratch your hardware. 17% off, $31.76. Then we have the Klein Tools, heavy duty insulated side cutting pliers, made in the USA, streamlined, designed with knurled jaws and a 1,000-volt rating. Still pricey, but $54.99. Love me some Klein Tools. 27% off, and it clearly shows lowest price in 30 days. And even the smell test, comparing it to the other ones, except for this one here, this one's $45.46. This might also be a good deal. But $54.99, lowest price in 30 days. Next, we have the Irwin Tools Speedbor drill bit set, wood 6-piece, lowest price in 30 days, 12% off, $34.15. A 30-inch Western log saw for wood cutting lumber or timber. Professional arborist hand wood saw. Branch cutter pruning for trimmers. Gardening logs by King County Tools. $67.89, 23% off. Limited time deal for a classic, sturdy, excellent saw. Then we have some more Wiha. Gotta love Wiha. 0% Klein. So these might still be here. But we have the Wiha Solid Tools Solid Round Shank Nut Driver Set, multi one size. Gotta love the way these look. Limited time deal, 29% off, $110.50. Then we have the Stahlwille. Love me some Stahlwille. Drift pins and center punch sets, 10456D, 6-piece with plastic stand, made in Alemania, made in Germany, $45.20. Then we have this Kings County Tools Buffalo leather tool tote bag, large storage capacity, easy to access, transport, 1/8 inch thick hide, sewn in America, using American buffalo. I'm just kidding. I don't know if you used American buffalo. Limited time deal, 30% off, $76.99. Best price on Amazon. That looks like I'll take that to go shopping. I'm looking fancy out there, like if I had some Christian Dior bags or something. Next, 6-piece assorted file set, 6-inch, lowest price in 30 days, 13% off, $12.30. Just the classic assorted file set. You need some of these if you're going to be sharpening some of your tools the easy way, the old school way, not the easy way, but the old school way. Then we have this 12-inch Yankee screwdriver, push type semi-automatic screwdriver, double-sided Phillips flathead. More Kings County Tools, $59.47, 30% off. I can't say I've seen something like this. This looks wild to me. I would get it as a flyer if I knew what it was. $59.47. Next, we have the Eklund Power T-Handle Ball Hex Key Allen Wrench 8-piece set, metric, 2 to 10, 9-inch shaft stand, 5% off, $47.85. It does only say 5% off, but this is the best price that it has been on Amazon. Next, Performance Tool, 2-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver, compact versatile tool for efficient screw driving jobs, 38% off, $4.99. $4.99. You could do a lot worse for $4.99. Performance Tool, Performance Tool, I'm a fan of Performance Tool. They brand some good tools. $4.99, hard to pass up on this. Great deal. Then we have the Greenworks 60 volt 4 amp hour high current battery. Prime deal day, 34% off, $119.69. Then we have the Shark pet cordless vacuum cleaner, headlights removable, handheld vacuum for pet hair. I love me some Shark. I've always had good experience with Shark vacuums. You get a great product for a great price, and I don't think this is any different. 50% off, $149 even. And then last but not least, these AirPod Pro 2 wireless earbuds. I think I saw these on the deal, guys, and I wanted to double check them to see if they really were the lowest price, and they are. They're normally like $150 is the lowest they've been. I mean, $160, but they're down to $150, which is accurate. $150, 40% off. And those are the Prime Day deals that I have for you, mainly on tools. Let me know if this is useful, and if you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals over the next few days, I will send them your way.